We are back at it again
with another backyard transformation brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we turn outdoor landscape dreams into reality and we make dirt look good like you never thought we could. And as you can see, brought to you exclusively by the Dirt Doctor, what we've been able to do for this customer today is give them back their entire courtyard. That's right, we were dealing with an area that has become completely dilapidated due to the amount of erosion and the amount of moss and mud that was able to gather in this area. But now this customer has the ability to be able to utilize their landscape to the utmost, and also they're getting back their landscape. What we did, I want to help you understand. I came in with this beautiful river rock design that allowed for us to be able to create a border, and what that border did is it created a beautiful accent for this custom design that the customer created, which is that of the beautiful mulch that you see here, even being able to accent it with these beautiful potters that you see here. But we didn't stop there, guys. We also focused on the landscape drainage problems, as we always do. So we went with our legendary beautiful decorative gravel in order to provide for this customer an opportunity to deal with the water even after it's raining. That's right, it's been raining pretty much all day today, but you can't even tell because of the way in which this design was put together. It said that the decorative gravel allows for us to be able to suck up a tremendous amount of that water that would have once come out of the sky, and it deals with the water once and for all by allowing it to be able to be sucked up through the aggregate of this rock. Now, in addition to that, we also focused on small things, guys, in order to give this customer back more than that of what they could have expected. And we started by focusing on the river rock design that allowed for us to be able to put in this beautiful dry creek bed design. But then we also went with the design that the customer wanted that allowed for us to be able to give them this beautiful design that gave them way more than they could have ever imagined. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. Now, as you see within this landscape, guys, you're going to be able to tell that this walkway was created specifically for this customer in a way that allowed for them to be able to utilize their outdoor living space in what is now a beautiful courtyard and be able to get from point A to point B without ever having to worry about getting their foot or their feet muddy. And that's one of the ways in which we become the highest rated landscaping companies around, because we focus on solving our customers' landscape drainage problems and giving them more than that of what they could have ever expected. And that's exactly what we've been able to do today. I'm telling you guys, we've made this customer so happy that they went and wanted to tell other people about our business, and that's what we do this for. So if you're in the Bentwater, Seven Hills area, that's where we're at, and you're dealing with the landscape drainage problem, well, guess what, guys? You don't have to look any further. The professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, brought to you exclusively by the Dirt Doctor, where we make dirt look good, says that if you're dealing with the drainage problem, we have the solution. We've been doing this for over a decade now, turning our customers' dreams into a reality, and most importantly, giving them more quality than they could have ever imagined. That's exactly what we were able to do on this landscape. So as you can see, if you're in that same position and you're looking to take back your landscape, guys, all you have to do is click the link below. I'll be waiting for your call.